I drank 2 cups of green tea every day for 30 days. And what happened shocked me. Not hype, not trends. Real changes I could feel, and now science backs it up. For a long time, I drank 1 to 2 cups of green tea casually. But when I actually tracked how I felt day by day, things started to change in ways I didn't expect. And years later, when I revisited the research, I realized almost everything I experienced has now been confirmed by science. Here's exactly what happened. 1. I felt calmer, not wired. This was the first and strangest effect. I was drinking caffeine. So why did I feel calmer? Turns out, green tea contains L-theanine, a compound that increases GABA activity in the brain. That means calm focus, not jittery energy. Studies show that people who drink green tea regularly experience lower stress and better mood control, even with caffeine involved. You feel alert, but relaxed, alive, but steady. 2. My blood sugar improved. At the time, I was still dealing with insulin resistance. Within about 30 days, my fasting blood sugar noticeably dropped, and later, I learned this wasn't a coincidence. Multiple clinical studies now show that green tea antioxidants help lower fasting glucose, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce HbA1c over time. This makes green tea especially powerful for metabolic health. 3. I burn fat more easily. I noticed I could exercise longer without feeling drained. Running, rowing, walking uphill. I felt like my body was using fat more efficiently. Science confirms this too. Green tea increases fat oxidation by up to 17%, meaning your body prefers fat as fuel. Important note, green tea doesn't magically burn fat on its own, but it puts your body in the perfect state to burn fat when you move. 4. My appetite was more controlled. This one surprised me the most. My hunger felt normal again. No constant cravings. No ravenous appetite. Green tea has been shown to improve leptin sensitivity, the hormone that tells your brain you're full. When leptin works properly, appetite regulation becomes effortless. This made intermittent fasting easier than ever. 5. My gut health improved. I used to struggle badly with digestive issues. After adding green tea daily, my digestion became more regular and predictable. Now research shows that green tea helps repair the gut lining, reduce gut inflammation, and improve microbiome balance. A healthier gut means better immunity, lower inflammation, and better overall health.